Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a deterministic environment. Choose Ubuntu or Debian, allocate 250 GB and 16 GB RAM, and enable 8 cores. Clone AOSP with repo init and repo sync for the release you want. Once done, install JDK 11, Python 3, GCC, Make, and Android-specific packages. These are required for compile and test. Make sure to verify repo sync success and resolve missing dependencies now, because missing tools break later steps and cost hours. You next create or obtain a device tree and kernel sources, configure board config, MK and device, MK to match hardware. Once configured, source build / and setup, sh and run lunch to pick a target and build variant, user debug for development or ang for low restrictions. Then kick off the build with $nproc, or make J16 to parallelize compilation. While compiling, monitor logs for missing headers or vendor blobs, and resolve each error quickly. Fixing early is faster than iterating. You finish by unlocking the bootloader and flashing the built images via fastboot flash or the device-specific flasher. Flash boot, system, vendor, and user data as needed. Once the device boots, run a dblogcat, basic CTS tests, and performance benches to validate behavior. If you encounter a boot loop or persistent crashes, inspect dmesc and logcat for SE Linux denials, missing vendor blobs, or kernel mismatches, and recompile only the affected components. This narrows iteration time and restores system stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.